Which metal is used to make permanent magnets? Answer: cobalt, nickel, and iron. Which element is present in both cement and bones? Answer: calcium. What is the normal temperature of a human body? Answer: 37 degrees Celsius. Which instrument is used to record the speed of a vehicle? Answer: speedometer. What is the SI unit of electric charge? Answer: coulomb. Who developed the polio vaccine? Answer: Jonas Salk. Who discovered nitrogen? Answer: Daniel Rutherford. Which mirror is used in the solar cooker? Answer: concave mirror. What is the chemical symbol for copper? Answer: Cu. What is the chemical symbol for silver? Answer: Ag. Which gas is commonly used in car tires to inflate them? Answer: nitrogen. Which metal is commonly used for making aircraft and aerospace components due to its low density? Answer: aluminium. In which part of the human body is the smallest bone found? Answer: ear. Which gas is most abundant in the Earth's atmosphere? Answer: nitrogen. What is the process by which plants make their food using sunlight? Answer: photosynthesis. What is the chemical formula for water? Answer: H2O. What is the chemical symbol for iron? Answer: Fe. What is the unit of electric current? Answer: ampere. Which metal is the best conductor of electricity? Answer: silver. What is the chemical symbol for lead? Answer: Pb. Which planet is known as the evening star or morning star due to its visibility? Answer: Venus. Which gas is responsible for the greenhouse effect and global warming? Answer: carbon dioxide. What is the chemical formula for methane, the primary component of natural gas? Answer: C8H4. What is the chemical symbol for carbon? Answer: C. What is the chemical symbol for sodium? Answer: Na. Which gas is used in fire extinguishers to suppress fires by displacing oxygen? Answer: carbon dioxide. What is the unit of energy in the International System of Units? Answer: joule. The reason for the diffusion of light in the atmosphere is? Answer: dust particles. What is the upper surface of the skin called? Answer: epidermis. Which electromagnetic radiation is used for satellite communication? Answer: microwave. What is the chemical symbol for gold? Answer: Au. Which planet is known as the red planet? Answer: Mars. Who is known as the father of modern physics and developed the theory of relativity? Answer: Albert Einstein. Which gas do plants absorb from the atmosphere during photosynthesis? Answer: carbon dioxide. Which gas is responsible for the Earth's ozone layer depletion? Answer: chlorofluorocarbons. What is the process by which plants release water vapor into the atmosphere? Answer: transpiration. Which gas do humans primarily exhale when breathing? Answer: carbon dioxide. What is the process of a liquid changing into a gas at its boiling point? Answer: evaporation. Who is credited with the discovery of the laws of motion and universal gravitation? Answer: Isaac Newton. What is the process by which liquid water turns into ice? Answer: freezing. What is the chemical symbol for potassium? Answer: K. In the electromagnetic spectrum, which color of light has the highest frequency? Answer: violet. What is the chemical symbol for mercury, a liquid metal at room temperature? Answer: Hg. Which gas is produced during the process of fermentation? Answer: carbon dioxide. What is the chemical symbol for neon, a noble gas commonly used in neon signs? Answer: Ne. Which gas is responsible for the distinctive smell of rotten eggs? Answer: hydrogen sulfide. What is the chemical symbol for helium, a gas known for its use in balloons and airships? Answer: He. What is the chemical symbol for silicon, a key component in the electronics industry? Answer: Si. What is the study of the population called? Answer: demography. What is the pH value of pure water? Answer: 7.